Hello! In today's video, we are going to be editing our visuals. With the visual that you want to update selected, go ahead and open up your visualization pane and click Format Your Visual. We've got a couple of things that we can actually switch up with this pie chart, including the legend. This has to do with the section that explains what each slice of the pie represents. We can choose to either turn this legend on or off, move the location of the legend, or interact with the text, such as making it bold, changing the color, or the size. We can turn the legend name on or off if we want. For the pie slices, we can change the color of each slice, the position of where the labels are, and the actual rotation of the chart itself. We can choose the color of each slice to be from an either predetermined set of choices, or actually manually putting in the RGB values.
You can also change where the values are, whether they be inside or out, what the values actually represent, and the rotation of the chart itself. But enough about pie charts. Let's look at these general settings, which you can see for everything. There's some pretty self-explanatory things here, such as size, padding, the actual position on screen. Title settings just has to do with the actual title itself, so you can adjust what font it is, if it's bold or not, etc. This subtitles section, it'll tell you what exactly your data is being divided by. So in this example, each pie is a sum of sales divided by whatever country that those sales come from. And the last setting I wanted to talk about in this video is this background option. So if you wanted to have a picture as the background of your visual for any reason, you could. You can also affect the opacity on it, what color it is if you want a different color for a background instead of white, and that kind of thing. Well, I hope this is a good start for editing your visuals into discovering what you could possibly do with Power BI.